Let's talk a little bit more about what you can do with automatic door schedules. With PDK's auto open feature, you can schedule your doors to unlock at one time of day and lock back up at another time of day. But what should you do if there's a holiday coming up and nobody's going to be in the building? You can set up a holiday schedule. To do this, start by going to the auto open page. Hit the yellow button labeled Add Auto Open, and a handy interface will slide out on the right side of your screen. Name this schedule something descriptive, like Holiday Closure. Next, you need to select which devices you want this schedule to apply to. Click the Edit Devices button, select your devices, and hit Save. Now let's move on to setting up the schedule. From the Schedule drop-down menu, select Single Date. Set the time you want this rule to begin, the time you want it to end, and the date. Finally, you can set the action to deny or allow. For a holiday schedule, you will want to set this to deny. By doing this, you can prevent any other programmed rules from happening, because a deny rule will take precedence over any allow rule. Click Add, and now you're done. Now your building won't be unlocked to the public on days when nobody will be there. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.